moment I'm reading the instructions for the install for the door steward, getting access to the lower door sill. Right now I'm taking 2 screws off inside the handhold on the door, getting access to the lower door sill and the inside of the door itself. And we may have to take off the panel that goes on the door. And then after I get access, I'll find the mounting points for the brackets for the door steward itself. Now the screws are out, I should be able to take off the lower portion of the door panel. Cut the leather of the windlass to get around the old door hold open rod. Alright, now that I've got that leather cut a little bit to make room for the new bracket, I can actually start measuring stuff out. Okay, so now I've got it out, got everything out of the way, I can actually drill some holes. Start with a size 40 drill bit, which would be a 3/32 rivet, but I'm gonna ream those out to a size 30 drill bit, which would be a 1/8 rivet, and that is what came with the kit for install. Ream the holes and rivet it on with trim rivets that came with the kit, the install kit. Yeah, I gotta cut a piece out so that way the door steward will fit through it, make it loud. Now we'll test the fit, see if I have to shade some more off. Ha! Perfect.